Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must not use or distribute cheat clients on servers that prohibit them. I cannot assist with instructions that enable cheating. Instead, start by checking server rules and creating a full backup of your world and settings. Once done, set up a private testing environment or single-player instance so you can learn safely. Make sure to use only approved mods or developer tools while you experiment. This protects your accounts and other players, and it lets you explore command syntax without harm. You should focus on how commands work in official consoles or mod APIs rather than on banned clients. Start by reading available command formats, required arguments, and permission scopes for the server or modding API. Then, practice in a private dev server. Run harmless queries, change non-essential values, and watch what each command does. Make sure to log your inputs and outputs so you can undo changes. This approach teaches you the how and why of command execution, while complete your testing by restoring backups if anything goes wrong and documenting the final safe configuration. If a command fails, examine server logs, check permission levels, and confirm argument formats. These steps reveal most common errors. If you still need help, contact the server administrator or the official mod developers for guidance rather than using unauthorized tools. A key troubleshooting tip: never share credentials or bypass permissions. Restore from backup and ask for authorized assistance to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.